Hi there, I'm Lacey Owens, professional speaker, writer, and course creator. I've also worked in agriculture my entire lifetime, and I'm trying really hard to get used to doing these videos and selfies for marketing purposes, but they most certainly don't come natural to me. So please bear with my awkwardness. I'm not remotely like this in person. I want to talk to you today about sales. So I have been in sales my whole entire adult life, and probably before that, if I'm really being honest. And I feel like I have probably been through every sales training under the sun. And each time that I take a new sales training, I do always find something that I can take home with me and learn. I feel like if you're always looking to learn something, you'll always find something to learn no matter what you're taking. However, I have developed a workshop for your sales teams that has a new spin on it, a completely different take on traditional sales training. See, my background is on personal development, and that's where my focus is. So I have incorporated this into a specific workshop for sales teams. So first of all, I like to start with energy, because in order to be successful at anything in business, sales, no matter what, parenting, whatever it is, you need to have good energy. You need to be firing on all cylinders. So energy is a big focus of mine, and that's how I like to start off the workshop and create a lot of energy in that as well. Secondly, I like to work on self-awareness. I feel like we're all lacking that a little bit nowadays, and we have all of this social media and everything else that is kind of tarnishing knowing really who we are. And I find that this is important in sales because I have been through a million cookie cutter approaches to sales, and I find that they don't work for me. I need to be able to be authentic and be myself and have my own style and be drawn to my own clientele that are compatible with me, because I feel like if you're in sales, you don't really want to be selling to everybody under the sun. You want to be selling to the people that have the proper fit for you to work with. And I feel like it should always be a win-win-win. So the company that you work for wins, you win as the salesperson, and the client, of course, always wins as well. And so in order to really align yourself with the right people, you have to know who the heck you are. So we do work a little bit in self-awareness. Now, the other thing that self-awareness helps with is building confidence. I have a major component on confidence, because I feel that if you have all the competence in the world to make sales and you've been through all the trainings and methods, you will still go nowhere if you don't have confidence. Where I feel like if you have confidence, if you work on developing your confidence first, you can find the competence to do any type of job that you want to do. So confidence is huge. Then I also have a component on stress management, problem solving, handling worries, adapting to change, working things out. So just a very strategic approach to handling anything that's being thrown at you, because I feel that if you are having any type of struggle in your life, whether it's work related or part of your family or anything like that, that's always going to be in the back of your mind. So the best that you can handle these things, the more that opens you up to be moving to new levels in your sales careers and in your businesses. So a huge component on stress management, problem solving, adapting to change, handling worry, and of course, time management. I mean, who can't use better time management? And that is a big focus to me. I'm doing this while I wait in line at the car wash right now because I have a windshield completely covered in bugs. But time management is a huge focus to me, and I would love the opportunity to share some of my ideas and tricks to handle your time a little bit better. So if you're interested in booking me for a workshop for your team, you can call me at 306-962-6411, or you can send me an email, lacey@laceyowens.com. If you'd like further information, you can visit my website, laceyowens.com. I also have some really great reference points from previous workshops that I've done with teams If you're looking for referrals or references to check my background, I have all of that for you as well. And I just want to say that I'm really passionate about sales, but I do it in a little bit different way, and I would really love the opportunity to work with your teams. Thanks so much for listening to me. Have a great day.